Hello friends, today is June 7th. We are going to plant our sweet potato slips. We made our own sweet potato slips. I'll add that process of making the sweet potato slips in the same video. You can see the roots on them. This is the sweet potato that I put in water. It grew many vines. They are called slips, sweet potato slips. What we are going to do is, we are going to take the slips off of the potato like this. And we will place them in a glass of water. And they will start growing roots on them. They will be growing roots in 1 to 2 weeks. Then they will be ready to be transplanted outdoors, in ground or in grow bags. The temperature should be above 70 degrees because they are heat loving plants. So we have to be planting them outdoors when the temperature is above 70 degree Fahrenheit. I have 6 slips. I'm going to plant them all in this box. Sweet potato is a warm season vegetable that you can plant only when the temperature goes above 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to plant one in this container also.